All right, guys, I'm going to show you how I made this cute Barbie pleated skirt for my bonus child for us to go to the Barbie movie. Don't laugh at my makeshift skirt hanger. I do not wear skirts that often or hang them up, so I didn't have one. So I improvised with an IKEA hanger and some little clamp pieces from the Dollar Tree. But anyway, let's get into this tutorial, guys. What we need to make the skirt. This large one is for my shirt that I added on there. So I'm going to start fresh and show you what I did. So I'm going to new. I'm going to save because I did a little update on there. I want to make sure it saves. So you're going to go to text. You're going to put your cap locks on and type in Barbie. Now, Design Space does not have a Barbie font. You will have to upload a Barbie font to your Design Space. I'm going to link a video where I show you exactly how to do that. So when you go into Design Space, Cricut right here shows you all the fonts that Cricut has. And when you click on symptoms, when you click on system, not symptoms, I don't think we're sick here. This is what you have in your computer, basically. So I typed in Barbie, and that's the Barbie font that I uploaded. And I just clicked on it to select it, and it gave me Barbie right here. I changed the height on this to 2 inches. Just type 2 and enter, and this is the size that I want them. If you want to make more space in it for when you cut it, you can ungroup and just space out the letters so you have more space to just cut it when you go into the project. If you want it to cut on your mat just like this and not in any order, highlight all of it. And at the bottom right, you're going to click attach. Go to upload. I went on Etsy and found a Barbie head that I like, or you could probably go on Google. So I select this Barbie head, add to canvas. Right down here it says view. I'm just going to click on view and it takes me back to the mat. Of course, it's large. We're going to make sure it's locked. Your size is locked. Change the height to 2 inches. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Right there. Duplicate so that we have 2 pieces for the end. Don't forget to save. So we're going to click on save. You're going to save it to whatever you want to save it to. I'm going to delete it. Click save. Now, before you send to the mat, make sure you have the correct machine that you're using. We're going to use the Explore 3. You can use either one, the Cricut Maker 3, the Cricut Maker, or the Explore family, where we cannot use the Joy. Actually, you can use the Joy. This will just not cut attached. So you would have to detach it, and then you could actually send it to the Joy. Right? So choose your machine. I'm going to use the Explore 3 today. Click on Make It. Now, it depends on what material you're using. So before we choose material, right here where it says mirror, when you're using heat transfer vinyl, you always want to select that mirror and it flips it for you. Click on this mat and do the same mirror, then you're good. Click on continue so we can send it to our machine. And then for the Barbie heads, I'm actually using Smart Iron-On. And for the regular Barbie, I'm just using regular glitter iron-on, right? I actually don't have it saved to my favorites. So you're going to click on browse all material. Just type in glitter. And right here, you have glitter iron-on. You select that and we're done. Then we go and we cut everything. So for Smart, I have the Smart Iron-On glitter here for this one for when I go, but I just wanted to tell you the difference is the Smart material is a Cricut material and you can load it into your machine without using a cutting mat. If you're just using any other brand, glitter HTV, you have to place it on the mat in order for it to cut, and that's the difference. So let's head over to our project and get this done. Okay, now so we're going to put our HTV on the mat to cut. The shiny side is going to face the mat, and the plain side face up. I just cleaned this mat, so I'm going to just use the brayer to press down a little more just to make sure that it stays. I loaded the mat and we're just going to press the button, have it cut. Then we're going to weed and then we're going to heat press it onto the skirt. Okay, so it's finished cutting. I'm just going to remove like the plastic. It's actually weeding on here. Hold on. Remove the entire thing. Drop in my supply. And I'm just gonna cut off. You see, this is already peeling off. And the weeding process, this is pretty large. Hold on, I feel like, yeah, some of it is coming off. So I'm going to hold it down because this looks like it wants to give me a hard time. So you can just peel with your hands. Just make sure it sticks. You don't really need a weeding tool for this. And then pop out that middle. So they're not being pressed all together. So I'm gonna cut each individual letter so we could press it onto each pleat of the skirt. All right, those inner pieces I'm just gonna bend and peel those babies right off. And I'm gonna do the same with the Barbie head. And this is why you mirror your cut, because when you flip it to press it, it's gonna be the right way. Now, because it's a pleated skirt and I don't wanna mess up the pleats, I'm gonna use the mini. So I'm gonna turn it on and I put it to the third one, which is gonna be the hottest. Then we're gonna let it heat up, and once it's ready, we're gonna press onto the skirt. For the gold, I use the Cricut Smart Iron-On, so I don't need a mat. You just load smart material and just cut. Okay, so we have the skirt. This is the Amazon skirt. I placed them down on each pleat where I wanted them to go, and we're using the little mini press. I have it on the third one, which is the hottest, and I think I pressed it down and held it maybe a minute per letter. When you're pressing on the larger presses, they do recommend a little longer. Ask me the correct one. I did not even check, but I know y'all love me anyway. But I did a minute, about a minute per image. By the time I got to the end and I went to check over there, you can't see it in the video, but it peeled up a little, so I knew it was good. Then I went in because this thing shipped wrinkly as ever, and I just ironed out all of the pleats. Well, in the front. Y'all know I forgot the back, but it's okay. She didn't mind. Peeled them off, and everything was good to go, and came out real cute. I love it. Just came back one more time with the close-up of the skirt. See how cute it is? You can also go in and just iron out the little wrinkles that you got from the shape of the heat press, but mini press. But it's all good. Came out so cute. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, because I know I'm your favorite craft, and y'all gonna do it for me. So I'll see you guys next time.